Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Christmas themed one. I'm gonna do one side off camera and then I will be back. Oh my god, if my phone doesn't shut the up. This is one side of my face done. I did soap brows to get my hairs up in place. That's already been done. Next step is to go straight into a cream. And I'm using the Ben Nye Master Cream palette and using the shade Green. Going in with a Luxie Precision Crease Brush in 246. And I'm going over the eyelid completely coating the eyelid. And I'm going to bring that up into the crease. So then you bring that up into your crease. And I'm pretty much going to where I feel my bone here of my eye socket. And then following that line and bringing it up in a wing shape at the outer corner. So that's the beginning of it. Now you bring this out. I like to do like a little faint line that you can easily adjust if that's wrong to have like a guideline. Also brought it up toward my brow bone and then down winging it at the inner corner. So you bring this all the way in. And then you're bringing that down your inner corner and winging it. Now I'm just going back and forth, looking and taking a step back and making sure that both sides are even. Once I'm happy with it, I'm going to make sure that my eyelid isn't creased, so I'm going to make sure to go back over my lid to crease area and blend all that out. I'm using the Violet Voss Essentials palette and using the shade Emerald. I'm going to go in with my finger and tap right over the center of my lid toward the inner corner and up into the crease. But only going about halfway, I'm not going toward the outer corner at all. This is a beautiful shade. And this will help prevent your eyeshadow from creasing. Now going in with the Jawbreaker palette, using the shade Sour, using a little Anastasia crease brush, and I'm going over everything that I didn't put the emerald green on. And yes, you'll see that it's in my brows, and that's fine. Now to get in the more precise areas, I'm going to be using the BMX 498 brush. Now going in with the BMX 466 shade brush and using the shade Cone, taking that and going just within the border of the green and below your eyebrow. So you don't want to go completely up to the arch of your brow, but this is just going to help it transition. Now going back in with the crease brush and the shade Sour, and we're going to blend those two shades together. So tapping over top of Cone. Now we're going to be going back into the Ben Nye Cream palette in the green, using that same brush, and we're going to be creating this line up underneath the eye. So leaving a space up underneath the eye. And winging it out, and bringing it in to your inner corner and leaving a space again. So I'm going back over it. And making sure that they're both even on either side. Then you set that with Sour from the Jawbreaker palette. Going back into the Violet Voss Essentials palette and using a bullet brush, This is the BMX 420 brush. And taking that close to your lash line and up into the crease. Just about right here. You're wanting to just deepen up that outer corner. With not much left on the brush, I'm going to take and darken up into the wing, but not all the way. Now we're going to be putting some glitter over the eyelid, and this glitter is like stunning, but there's a catch. This is craft glitter from Hobby Lobby, meaning you really shouldn't use it on your face at all, and especially not around your eyes. I didn't have any other green to use, but I would suggest NYX Cosmetics has great glitter. Lit Cosmetics has amazing glitter. There's so many brands with great glitter that is safe for the eyes. So I'm not going to show which one I used. I'm sorry. I am using Too Faced glitter glue and applying that over the lid and mostly in the inner corner. I am bringing it up into the crease just in this inner third of my eye. And press that over top of the glitter glue. I should have done this before the glitter, but too late. So I'm going into the Violet Voss palette in the shade Black again. With that same bullet brush, I would do this before you apply the glitter, just don't be a dum-dum like me. And what you're gonna do is deepen up right around the crease, almost like you're creating a cut crease. So keeping it really high up there, blending it just a little up into your brow bone. I just wanted to bring a little more dimension in that area. This is the fun part. This is what you all were probably like, what is that? What is it? What? This is just gold leafing, actually, up underneath here. I also bought this from Hobby Lobby. It was $8 for this. Like, to apply gold leaf, you need something that's a little, like, sticky, icky. So I'm going to be applying glitter glue up under my lash line and in this empty space here. Gold leaf comes in sheets, so what I like to do is use tweezers and pick up tiny pieces of the gold leaf. I'll pick up a piece here. And you just rip tiny little pieces off of the gold leaf and then place it directly with the tweezers onto your eye and press it down with your finger, or press it down with the back side of the tweezers held together. Take a little piece, press that onto the skin, or the back of your fingernail is actually good too. Just don't use your fingers because it actually will stick to your hands. And then just repeat that process over and over and over and over and over again until you're done, girl. Again, this isn't the safest thing to put around your eyes. I would say it's probably not eye safe at all, so proceed with caution. Also, be very careful when using tweezers next to your eyes. So that's the gold leaf done. Now to highlight. I'm using the Ofra X NikkiTutorials highlighting trio, and I'm going to be using a mix of glazed donut and glow goals. I'm using an accent brush from Real Techniques. Going just in my inner corner, and then also up underneath the brow bone. Guys, earlier today, I stubbed 4 toes at once. 4 toes! Who stubs 4 toes at once? I've never done that in my life. I'm feeling frosty. Woo! Woo! I'm a real boy. Now back to the eyebrows. I'm going to be using Anastasia Dip Brow in Taupe. And the brush I'll be using is a Sedona Lace EB17 brow brush. And I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera, so. Actually putting a white liner in my waterline. Could not think of the word. This is Baby Whites by NYX. Going into the Mehron Tropical AQ palette and using shade green. These are water activated. Ooh, ooh, shit. So you're gonna need a little water. You're also going to need a brush to apply it with. So what I like to do is dip my brush in a little water and then go directly into the paint, because you really don't need much to activate these, and you want to make sure that it stays opaque. Now you'll be taking this on your jawline and down your neck. So I'm just going back over it again to make sure everything's opaque. I'm avoiding my collarbones just to kind of contour them a little bit. I'm just going over the collarbones with what's left on my brush. Now, back to the gold leaf. I swear, like, I don't usually talk like this in person, but when I turn a camera on, I turn into a newscaster. On today's forecast, gold leaf and craft glitter gets in young, stupid girls' eyes. I don't know what that voice was. I'm sorry. All newscasters. It wasn't a newscaster's voice. Anyways, you're gonna need a lot of lash glue or a lot of glitter glue, because I don't want to coat my neck in gold leaf, but I want it to be like there's gonna be a lot of gold leaf. So get ready. I'm just gonna use my fingers and pat some right where I think I'm gonna end up using it. You can use bigger pieces this time. And also bringing that on your collarbone. And then repeating that through the rest of the neck. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do this off camera, okay? My neck is very sticky right now. I'm gonna go back to the eyes and put on lashes. I'm gonna be using the luxury lashes from Lashaholic. Now for the lips. I'm going for a deep burgundy red. This is a stunning color from Ofra X Kathleen Lights. It's called Havana Lights. First I'm going to be lining my lips though with a NYX lip pencil in Auburn. And now applying Havana Lights. Oh, look at that shade. Oh God, it's getting everywhere. This fucking color, so beautiful. So every time I film for like so many hours, and I don't like to take breaks. When I start something, I want to keep going until I finish it. So I'm starving again. This is becoming a theme in every video. What are you eating right now? Describe your food in detail to me. I want to taste it with my mind. Please do this for me. I'm hungry. So I'm just gonna set this and we're gonna be done, beesh. I'll see you in a second. Ooh. And here's the finished look. Should I do this for Christmas? I really love how it turned out. I think it's really cool. Let me know if you have any other ideas for Christmas makeup. I am definitely down to do like a more wearable Christmas makeup, even if you want this made wearable. I thought about making a series like that. Just let me know if that's a series that you guys would actually want to see, because I know not everyone is interested in doing this. I don't know why not. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye. As long as there's a nail.